most folks know, we're living in a very rural community. So folks live in small villages and townships throughout the North Country, and these are folks that need to get to medical appointments and have no mass transit to get there, and rely on volunteers from VTC to get them back and forth to their medical appointments. VTC provides very positive impact for rural citizens throughout Jefferson, Lewis, and St. Lawrence counties. Folks that for whatever reason don't have a car of their own at this time, perhaps never had a car, living 20, 30 plus miles away from their doctors and medical providers. And when they can engage with our services and have a volunteer pick them up and take them to medical appointments, it makes all the difference in the world to them. Families sometimes live far away from their aging parents, or folks aren't able to take time off from work to get mom or dad, aunt or uncle to their doctor's appointments, and we come in and it provides that very critical service that they need and makes all the difference. VTC works hand in hand with United Way and has for many, many years. The support that community members can provide to United Way not only help VTC get in transporting clients that need to get back and forth to their medical appointments and other essential services. Community members and employees that are aware of the United Way and the good works that they do know that we're one of the organizations that they partner with, and together we make a difference for folks that need to get transportation to their medical provider.
I was at the doctor's office and I told them I didn't have a vehicle to get to the doctor's, and they said, why don't you try VTC? And they showed me a poster, and I called and got referral to go and get on the program. And it's a very good help to VTC, and excellent people. You know, they have excellent employees, and it's a big help because I don't have a vehicle. I'd have to depend on friends and not even get to my doctor's appointments. I'd have to ignore the doctor totally. And see, I'm a diabetic, and so, I have basic needs for that, and I have other health issues, that are part of the problem, and I wouldn't be able to get to my doctors to get the help I needed if I didn't have VTC.
After my mother passed away, and I was retired, I was looking for something, to do. And then I thought about, my brother was a volunteer driver 2 years ago before he passed away, and he loved it. So I thought, I'll just go out there and see what it's all about. And I did, so here I am still. I love taking people that don't have a way to go, and a lot of people are very appreciative of the rides, and if it wasn't for us, they wouldn't have a way to go. Just think of it this way. If you're down and out, you might be doing well, something happens, a tragedy in your house, like a fire or something, and you don't know what to do, you don't know where to go. United Way is there to do that, and VTC is there to get them there or wherever they need to go.
So Sam Purrington, Executive Director for the agency, been with the agency since 2010, so I've been here 15 years. At its most basic function, it would be more appropriate to call our agency Get There, because that's what we're doing, is we're helping people get there. Mostly we're serving people that are elderly, disabled in some way, that don't have family members that can help them. We may not know these people. They're in our community. We have a large portion of folks that have retired here from Fort Drum, and their kids live somewhere else, and they don't have the same support systems. And so those folks that don't have family or friends that are available to help them, because people have to work and they have jobs, they need to get to their medical appointments. And our volunteers get them to their medical appointments, grocery shopping. In St. Lawrence County, we have a lot of programs around employment, tied in with public transportation. Hopefully that will be soon here in Jefferson County as well. But that's what it means to the community and to me, is how do we get people there? Mm-hmm. I'd say that one person may require transportation, one person may require a meal, one person may require housing. mediation, medical care, addiction services, all the different human service agencies across the community are all necessary just for different people. So I don't know which one needs it more today and tomorrow and the next day. United Way does. That's what they do. They are the straw that stirs the drink of all the human service communities and being connected into all of them. So if I had a choice on where I'm going to know that my dollar is going to serve what is needed in the community, I can trust the United Way is going to make those decisions. And hey, we're a United Way founded, yes, but founded organization. Without the United Way, we would not be here today. They saw a need in the community and they made it happen. So kudos to the United Way on behalf of the Volunteer Transportation Center.